In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to build a custom agent for email triage and inbox management. Start by opening Notion and going to your main workspace dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the Agents section. This is where you can create and manage AI agents that work inside your workspace. Next to Agents, click the plus button to create a new custom agent. As soon as the new agent opens, you'll see a chat box on the left side. This is where you describe what you want the agent to do. In that text box, type a clear instruction telling Notion to create an email triage agent that checks your inbox, labels emails by priority, drafts replies for important messages, and archives newsletters and promotional emails automatically. After typing that, press Enter so Notion can generate the initial setup. Now move to the right side of the screen. Scroll until you see the Tools and Access area. This is where you connect the services your agent needs in order to actually do the work. Click Add Connection, then choose Mail from the list. After that, Notion will ask what level of access you want to give the agent. You'll typically see options like can edit, can view, or can comment. Choose the permission level that matches how much you want the agent to do. If you wanted to organize messages and prepare drafts, Edit Access is usually the most useful. If you only want it to review or classify emails, a more limited option may be enough. While you're in the setup area, make sure Web Access is toggled on if you want the agent to use web context where needed. Then scroll back up until you reach the Triggers section. Click Add Trigger, select Mail, and then choose New Email Received. This tells the agent exactly when it should run. Instead of waiting for you to activate it manually every time, it can start working whenever a new email arrives. After selecting the trigger, click Connect. A sign-in window will appear so you can authorize your email account. Complete the connection using the appropriate sign-in option and approve the permissions so Notion can access the mailbox for triage and drafting. Once the connection is complete, return to the agent page. Now go back to the chat box on the left and give the agent a more detailed labeling system. Type an instruction telling it to use these labels for triaging. Reply for messages that need a response. Follow up for messages waiting on someone else. Important for anything requiring urgent action. Notifications for automated alerts that should be archived after reading. And marketing for newsletters and promotions that should be archived automatically. Then press Enter. This step is important because it defines the structure your inbox agent will follow every time it reviews incoming mail. Next, add one more instruction in the chat box. Tell the agent that for any email labeled Reply, it should draft a short, professional response that recaps the key point and ends with a clear next step, and that anything sensitive should be left as a draft for your review. Press Enter again. This gives your agent a clear rule for how to handle messages that need a response without sending anything risky automatically. At this point, the agent has its purpose, its email connection, its trigger, and its handling rules. Now click Save in the top right corner of the settings page. Once saved, click Run to manually trigger the agent and test it right away. This helps you confirm that the setup is working before you rely on it day to day. After the run completes, open the Activity tab using the clock icon at the top of the agent page. Here you can review the full run log, see what actions were taken, and check whether emails were labeled, archived, or drafted the way you expected. If something doesn't look right, go back into the instructions and refine them. You can keep customizing the agent as much as you need, whether that means changing labels, adjusting the drafting style, or tightening the rules around what gets archived automatically. Once everything looks good, your custom agent will appear in your workspace under your agents list, ready to help manage incoming email more efficiently. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. You've successfully built a custom agent in Notion for email triage and inbox management. From here, you can keep improving it based on the kinds of messages you receive most often. But the core setup is done and ready to use.